Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through top 2 free music apps for iPhone and Android. So let's get started. Firstly, open the App Store. So here we are showing you the top 2 free music app through the iPhone, but you can use it both on iPhone and Android as well. So go to your App Store or Google Store and simply type down Audio Mac and download the Audio Mac. So basically guys, Audio Mac offers a free tier that allows you to listen to music offline with some limitations. You can download songs, albums and playlists to your device for offline playback as well. So it also provides access to a vast library of songs, curated playlists, personalized recommendations and podcast as well. So now the second one is Play. So it works both on iPhone and Android. Simply download it. So after you complete the download, you can open it very easily. So basically guys, Vidplay offers a free tier that allows you to listen to music offline by downloading tracks, playlists and albums to your device. And this app is totally free and excellent option for enjoying music offline on both iPhone and Android devices. This offers a wide range of features to enhance your listening experiences. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.